What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. I've noticed that I don't say the disclaimer that much. Well, PC Monkey with another Bitcoin video, but before that, I mean, obviously, I keep the title or the text that says no financial advice, but this is no financial advice. I'm just saying because I don't want to get banned by YouTube thinking I'm giving something. This is no financial advice. All the content is for educational purpose only. Alright, so let's go back to the chart. Yesterday I was talking about a continuation towards upside, and then I said it could come back down here. And I guess what? We came all the way back down on Tuesday. Right here, we held it, and then we pushed it back up here. Now, this is where the entry is happening. I'm obviously in a long on BTC, and I think we're gonna finally come around this way. Again, this thing stays here until this happens. We're not going down, so it's as simple as that. I don't need to make it any more complicated. Now, obviously, the USDT dominancy at the same time, it's trying to lose this daily level 4.44. We've talked about it. We said that if this time we lose it, we're not going to gain it. And we've been trying to gain it. You could see one time, two times, three times, even four times right here, but still no success. So this probably, well, I thought it's going to do something like this, but it did. It went up and now it's coming back down. Now, if you hold here, we could even retest it one more time, print another lower high, and in that case we're gonna go down with it. Still, this area remains 4.24%. Don't forget today we got PPI, very important news. So if there's not much volume on London, definitely New York would bring some juice to the market. So we have to be patient till that. Well, with these two being said, I'm going to talk about the CoinAnk because I mean everything's just going the same way. There's really not much changed yet. Okay, so CoinAnk right here, as you guys could see, BTC is going up. It's been filling shorts. Shorts and sells are getting filled. People are selling and at the same time shorting. As you can see, 35 million just got sold here at the top at around 112,750. We've not been selling that much, right, as we were coming up, but this was the biggest sell for now because it's kind of close to a swing that got us down. Now the next target would be 113,502, and if we go above that, you're talking about a clear move to $115,000. Now, with that being said, we quickly could take a look at Forex Factory and talk about the news with today and tomorrow. Around, just to mention, around 113,845. There's a lot of liquidation around where my mouse is. You guys could see it. A lot of liquidation. So where these liquidations lie, there's always big orders around it. Usually a little bit higher than that. Now, why? Because obviously when you get stopped out of a short, you are a forced buyer. So you push the price higher, so it makes sense for the big players to have their orders a little bit higher so that on the spike it gets felt. Now today, as I talked about it, core PPI is coming out in around 3 hours. And after that, tomorrow it's going to be core CPI and then probably UO consumer sentiment and UOM inflation expectations. So obviously these 3 days, all of them got some news play, so we got to be more careful. Before that, we really didn't have any news play, so everything was organic. Obviously we had the Japanese yen, but other than that, anyway. So with that being said, I've talked about this. There's nothing else to cover. Basically waiting to see if BTC gonna go up or down. And if it wants to go up, then we'll be part of it. If it wants to go down, we have to wait and see if it's gonna lose the level, right? Because it could come all the way down here, okay, fill a little bit more longs, and then push it back up. We don't want that happen. We want to be part of the move, right? So either we hold here where the swing is, and obviously you guys could see there's a swing here that got us down. Then we did a V-shaped recovery here, right? We tried to push it up. We did. We made a lower high. Then we dumped it back down. But where we dumped it, back to the swing. Back where we were doing our dirty business. Now, one more thing to show is obviously this coin mix. This thing is going up non-stop. 1,633% up in I think 3 days. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4 days. And I think this might even continue. I know it's a questionable coin, just thought to share it. and AVE as well. AVE's been beating around this range, for a while. If I yeah, this is daily, so they're building uh their position for another move like this. They're building it around here. I think it's worth watching it. With that being said, guys, nothing else to talk about. My targets are set. As I said, I'm going to take a little bit of TP at 119, a little bit at 117, 188, and if we lose the the golden line, which is 111,780, then I think we're going to continue down. And that will be it. I'll be start streaming in a couple of minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay green, and stay patient, which is the most important thing in trading. Peace out.